What are the best ways to minimize exposure to tree pollen during spring allergy season?
There's no doubt the best way to minimize it is not to be outside when the pollen is at its worst. And the way you know that is because you go outside and everyone's car is kind of yellow or green. And that's when you know, okay, it's pretty bad, so maybe I should just kind of minimize some of my outside time. Usually after a couple of weeks, that gets better. Try not to be around that or when it's windy, because the wind definitely exacerbates by blowing the pollen around. And then, of course, you end up breathing it in and it irritates and causes a reaction in your nose.
Sinusitis. We know how to treat it.